Today we got a 2017 Kia Forte. We are trying to remove this. Actually, I tried some already. I'm using the tool that I'm using. You can get this one. Actually, you need like a thinner one instead of this thicker one. So this one will work, this metal, or if you can use a little bit of a flat head, like a thin flat head, but not like a, you need a big thin flat head, like about at least this side, at least a quarter of an inch to pry it out. So what you're going to have to do in order to do that, you're going to have to start off from here. You don't want to damage any of this piece. This piece got stuck a little bit ago. I'm afraid I broke it, so I kind of like go really easy using these I got these little tools also. This is really thin, so you don't damage this one. Now this one, it don't matter though, because you're gonna replace this anyway. You see this? So you can literally break it and be fine, because you're not gonna hurt anything. You're not gonna use the same radio. So you can use a flathead and start prying out here. But before you do that, you wanna get this one out first, the middle, the bottom one. You want to start off from prying out like this from here, so it don't damage the dent the plastic. You want to start from here. Actually, it come off easy, but it's really hard to get out. Was this piece right there? I was having a problem trying to get it out because the clip was so tight, and I was afraid to break one of these. You definitely don't want to break this. They did put extra layer right there, but you definitely don't want to break that. Once you get that out, you got 4 screws. Actually, I don't need this to take out, so I just take one of this. It's a Phillips right here. You take this out, that out, and this out. No, actually, I'm sorry. You don't have to take this out. I'm just doing it right now. I'm not trying to put it back and try to show you, but I'm trying to kind of explain how to take it out. You just take one of these out right there, this screw out, and then now you can just pry it out here. I mean, you can literally break this, you'll be fine, because you got another dash right there, mounting kits. So once you get that out, once you pry it all out, you got to take this emergency switch right there by pushing this button right there. Push that in, and then you can pull that out or leave it like that. Now once you got all that out, you're going to have 4 screws you got to take out. You got 2 up here, and then you got 1 right there, and then 1 right there. I'm gonna take that out right now. You need an extended or a long. Now you are gonna, once you get the screw, all 4 screws out, you just pull it out like right so. It's a little bit tight with one hand. Grab it out with one hand if I can. If not, I'm gonna have to pause it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to pause it. Just pull it straight out. Just be careful. This piece will damage this part, so be careful on that part. That metal. Now you got to push this down and pull it out. Same as this. Push it down and pull it out. This antenna. Actually, there's 2 antennas, one for the series, and the same as this. And like that.